Hey, we back. More
We
Drake.
back.
Virginia Beach. So there's another Drake video that we're doing. It's actually fun watching people lose their brains over this album. But in any case, let's get to the song.
I know what you say. Say I could have treated you better or whatever, but I don't know. I think I did all right. You know what I'm saying? And you know how you get. Drawing conclusions like you got a Parsons degree or something. I could have treated you better. That's crazy. No. Leaning, soda, fantasizing, that's not love. You're in this more like compromising. I move mountains for you for that.
Oh, there's so much happening.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the fact that it's not a melody, but the background, those vocals, the choir or whatever, it's not a choir. They're just way too louder than his voice.
Oh, my ears are bleeding.
And his presence just sucks. Like there's no presence.
Social climbing, lean into me. Lean into me. Yeah, lean into me. Pussy ain't making me sweet, and it'll stay in a week. She pretty but ghetto, pretty but rough, just like Virginia Beach. I wanna get back to the days that you love me for nothing but what you could see. You bust down a Jubilee, I swatted it and made you go factory. Well, you put some pain in me. I wanna get back to the days that you love me for nothing but what you could see. You bust down a Jubilee, I swatted it and made you go factory. Well, you put some pain in me. I wanna get back to the major league. She wanna grab on the throttle, I wanna get back in the driver's seat. That nigga spent his last check on your car and you got it and drove it to me. Asked me if I could treat you better, but no. Leaning soda, fantasizing, that's not love. You're in it more like compromising. I move mountains for you for that. Social climbing, lean into me. Lean into me. Lean into me. Yeah. Yeah. I taste feeling like a fencing match. Your temper shorter and I'm sensing it. You keep talking about some period, but where you about to end the sentence at? Cause you been going off on my ass. Then I tell your ass where I'm at, and you act like I'm not supposed to mention that. I introduce you to my friends, girlfriends. You ain't interested in making friends. Talking about you wanna cook for a nigga in the kitchen, can you make amends? At least we know you got the cakes on you, girl. You should probably stick the bacon in. Working this crowd like the rubber shoe. I swear that I'm not trying to smother you. I got to know a whole other you, but let's not forget how I discover you. We ain't even gotta mention that. Any nigga try and trouble you, we gon' find out that it's on site like www. On site like .com. Put a baby in you, a hot mom. Yeah, ask me if
Put a baby in you, a hot mom. Okay.
I could've treated you better, but no, not at all. Not at all.
Drake is so frustrating. Jesus Christ. Right.
I'm
yes.
loving every minute of this, man.
Yes. Yo, Drake is so frustrating.
This is an odd song to put as track 1. It's so odd.
Nah, let's end this. Guys, it was Drake. Yes. This is
Virginia Beach.
Yes. Yo, this was so long.
But what I don't get is like, what do people expect from Drake? What? Really? What do you really expect from him?
Well, not the amount of shit that we're getting now.
But that's the thing,
Like his features are so much better than him.
Mm-hmm.
And when it comes to being alone in his own songs, it's like he's gonna give us nonsense like this. And who makes this beat?
Hey man, this is Drake being Drake to me. I'm not surprised or disappointed.
Bruh, fuck this.
So,
let's-
Virginia Beach, please suggest other videos for us to react to, new artists or any other type of video. We'll give you a shout out, and please like this video, guys. Please please subscribe. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers for now, and we'll catch you on the other videos. Watch all the videos that we have, bunch of videos, different videos. So see you later.